Scotty, what are you doing?
Have gun will travel
Ooh.
to a savage land.
Wait. Do it again.
Have gun will travel to a savage land.
That's better. Now give me my hat back. You don't look right in that.
No, I don't. I look better in a fedora. So,
is that the Mobby hat, the fedora?
kinda, yeah.
What are you doing?
Oh, let me take this off and I'll show you.
That sounds like a fucking...
I know, right?
That sounds like a threat.
Sorry, I dropped a nut.
You know, it happens.
Well, it's better than putting a little boogie in your butt.
Oh, God. This guy.
Okay.
Scotty, ladies and gentlemen. So, we're doing this because...
Watch me.
I'll follow you.
It's so big I had to roll it.
Oh, my God. I'll follow you.
You ready? You ready? You ready? You ready? You ready? Dun dun! 4 new ones.
New Baloney's is here.
They just got here like 20 minutes ago, if that.
Yeah.
So now they're going to go next door to our other shop that we deal with for stuff like this because we don't have a machine yet.
Yeah, so Victor's going to do this for us.
Yep, and he'll get us all taken care of.
Nice. So that'll be done. The tires will be on. So yay, the new tires. Now we just need the fucking motor mounts.
Yeah.
And once that shows up, that's kind of our big delay.
Yeah.
I mean, we might have to roll this out and roll something in.
Well, I mean, that's not a major big deal. I mean, if we have to, once
Because
the
if it's a
tires are
big
done.
delay, then... Because every vendor decides to say they have it and they don't.
Yeah, well, we're going to be a car down soon, which is really good. In
Yeah.
the same aspect, it's also really bad.
Well, no, it's good. I think it's good overall.
It's good, but in the same aspect, it's bad because somebody just doesn't see things the way other people do,
Yeah.
and their car is no longer going to be here.
Yeah.
And it's sad to see it go, but it is what it is.
Yep.
But we're also going to miss the T-Bird when it leaves too because I absolutely love this car.
Yeah, you do.
So
You love lots of
hopefully
things.
once the owner gets it, he'll at least take me for a ride in it so I can kind of see what we did,
Yeah.
type deal. Okay, boys and girls, we'll let you go. I got tires to change over and yank out and pull and do and... Yes.
Did we show this? No, we didn't. Nope. Scotty did a little mock-up. The skirts look good on it.
I know, don't they? They look amazing.
A little bling blow.
Oh, yeah. Now, to me, if you look, it kind of looks like something was here. But I'm not sure if there was a finished chrome piece that went across the car.
I don't recall. I do not recall.
I don't know.
It doesn't matter right now.
Yeah.
So, all right, tires are going next door. Get the new ones mounted. Let's leave the blue protective on the white wall until the car is going.
Oh, yeah,
home.
no, of course, I agree.
When John's coming to pick it up, that's when we'll clean it off.
Yep, and we'll take it and clean it off real quick.
Okay.
So I still got to do windows, and we still got to bleed the brakes yet.
Yes.
Oh, wow, we can do that Monday morning.
Brakes?
When you come in, we can bleed all the brakes out.
And be done.
And be done. And then this way, if we've got to stop it, we can.
Yeah, because we're going to be waiting on motor mounts.
Yep. I think we got to get a hold of the owner yet, because I don't know if he was able to get these.
Yeah, I'm going to...
The inner trim pieces. I mean, I'm hoping he did, but I mean, if not, it's not a big
not the
deal.
end of the world.
I get it,
All right,
But,
cool.
Okay, and we'll see you all on the next video of Muskrat and Furball.